of Bhutan. Bhutanese flag, king and queen's photograph, portrait. I really like the architecture here. I can see a cute dog below. Another cute dog. Hello. Your friend's looking there. Who is he? Who is he? Ah, he's bored. Just taking a ticket for the Folk Heritage Museum for 50 rupees. It's 30 rupees for locals, 50 for Indians, and I think 200 for other foreign nationals. So let's take a look what's inside. It's drizzling and it's raining over there. So I don't want to get drenched. So I just went into a museum and met few people from India. Someone was from MP. There was recording wasn't allowed, so I had to shut down my camera and put it in my pocket. So let's go outside and let's go back to our taxi and then head to another place. Side of the museum now, and it was drizzling. It's stopped raining now, and there's a Bhutanese flag just ahead of me. I'll just turn on the camera.